What's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Trash Panda again. I wanted to do a quick video because I got something in the mail. Wanted to do a little unboxing. As you can see, it is from Night Fision. Guys, if you don't know by now, Night Fision is one of my favorite aftermarket night sights. Very good quality, very bright. So I wanted to give them a. I needed to get some upgrades, so here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Well, in the package. Got a card, sticker, nice little patch. I believe these are glow in the dark. And here you go. The sights. Now these are the Optic ready sights, which sit a little bit lower than Suppressor height sights. As you can see, I have a pair of Suppressor height sights on this build, and there you go. That just kind of give you a reference on how high the Optic Suppressor height sights sit. Guys, these things, they glow so bright, and they hold their glow for a long time too. So of course I had to get a pair of Optic Readies. I don't want to try these out. I've seen a lot of people get these on their builds. I never tried them out. I had to order these from Night Fision directly. Most of the time I get my stuff from Brownells. They did have Night Fision sights. They just did not have these specific ones. So as you can see, this one is for Glock. And already off the bat, what I noticed different is the Optic Readies come with a set screw right there in the middle. The Suppressor heights do not. So yeah, let's try. I wonder if I could do side by side. So there you go. So side by side, if I can get that there, that's how low they are. So I want to say they're kind of in between. Normal height sights and Suppressor height sights. So I do have normal height sights, which I'm gonna replace these with. There we go. So guys, that's it. When you order from their website, you could actually pick and choose what color combo you want, which is awesome. As you can see, I've been wanting to check out. I got the white sight for one of my builds. I got the yellow sight right now, as you saw, and there's the orange dot up front. So I really liked the blacked out domes in the back, so that's what I did. And as you can see, these have serrations on them, so that's a little different too. I don't know if I can pick it up on the video. Let me see if, there we go. As you can see, there's serrations on it. That mitigates glare from what I hear. So there you go. Guys, right now it is Saturday, September 4th, and Night Fision is actually having a sale on their website, which I had no clue about. But there you go. That's the code, 20% off at checkout, Labor20. If you've never tried them out, trust me, you're gonna love them. They're quality. Make sure to buy them. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.